Alright, we out here, y'all. It's your boy TC Talks, TC Fitness, better known as Terrence Carter. And I'm here, back at it again with another video for y'all. So, the other day I was talking in a Telegram chat that I'm in. Shout out to the bro, Andre Diaz. He has a great YouTube channel, a great Telegram chat, and we was talking about, should you tell your friends and family about investing or about trading? Now, everybody has their own perception. Everybody is going to perceive money differently, you know? And a lot of people have a mentality of fear instead of opportunity, you know? So, from my personal experience, I honestly feel like you should tell your friends about investing. You should tell your family about investing or trading. And if they don't want to do it, then that's just up to them, you know? Now, trading and investing are two different things. Trading is just you buying and you selling same day, right? Or overnight. Investing is you're buying and holding, whether it's stocks, whether it's real estate in the stock market, ETFs, whatever. You're building a portfolio. And once again, everybody is going to have their own perception. Now, one thing you cannot do is judge people based off of their perception, because you got to remember that everything is programming. Literally. You're programmed to either consume or create. You're programmed to think in lack or abundance. You're programmed to think that your only way of making income is from your 9-to-5 job or through a job just in general. But you gotta remember, you gotta understand that in this human experience, bro, there are plenty of ways to make money. Whether you're creating a YouTube channel, you're running a business, you're creating digital products, you investing into the stock market. Like, there's plenty of ways. Your 9-to-5 is not the only way to make income. Now, bruh, you're gonna have people that doubt you. I'm gonna tell you that right now. You're gonna have people that sit there and say, oh, it's not possible, or oh, that's not real, or whatever. It could be your closest friends. It could be your parents, whoever. You feel me? But then you also gonna have people that support it and that know, like, nah, it's possible. How do you do that? They're gonna wanna know how. You feel me? And you, as a person, as an individual, you have to continue to teach yourself how important it is for you to own assets. Don't listen to the people that's telling you, oh, that stuff is too hard, or that stuff is not possible, because their mentality is just, they feel like they can't do it. If you tell a person that it's important for them to own assets, right? It's important for them to learn about finances and look at money differently and take, consistent action, whether it's with $100, $500, shit, I don't mean to cuss, my apologies, y'all, $10, $20, whatever. It's the subconscious reprogramming that you really have to do. Some people really look at money as just, I make the money and then I spend the money on my bills, or I make the money and then I spend the money on the things that I enjoy. I want to go out. I want to go partying with my friends. I want to go to the club. I want to buy the biggest car, the greatest car in the world, whatever. Some people literally just look at money as spend, or I got to wear my money. I got to buy the Jordans. I have to buy the most expensive hoodie or t-shirt or whatever. But like, when you wear your money, that's not helping you make money. When you purchase assets in the stock market, that's teaching yourself how to generate money even when you're not physically working. You feel me? It's not just for certain people, bro. It's for everybody. But you gotta remember, people are programmed, bro. I had to realize that I was programmed. And every day I'm reprogramming my mind. Every day I'm unlearning and relearning, bruh. Yeah, I do Uber Eats, but who cares? That does not define me. Some people feel like their job defines them. No, it does not. That's just your way of making income. As long as it's legal, as long as it's the right way. You know? You just can't be defined or judge yourself so much of, oh, I work here, I work there, so that's what makes me who I am. No, it's not. Stop being so hard on yourself. You know? Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your spouse, bruh, you need to invest. Feel me? Like, it's a real thing, bro. It's something that we're supposed to be doing. You know? And if they don't want to take action, what can you do about it? You cannot get mad at them for not taking action, because at least you told them. At least you told your lady. At least you told your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your uncle, your niece, whoever. At least you told them about investing or about trading. They can't say, oh, you ain't put me on. Yes, you did. Open up a brokerage account. There's plenty of YouTube videos. You feel me? Take some of your money from your bank account and put it into the assets. Buy and hold. Study these companies. Because when you learn how to look at money different, you learn how to look at yourself differently. You know what I'm saying? And I get it, bro. Like, we all have to consume. We gotta eat, we gotta clothe ourselves. You feel me? Whatever. Me personally, I stopped playing video games. I don't watch TV. I don't watch the news, stuff like that. But you still have to consume to a certain extent. But you just can't look at yourself or view yourself as just a consumer, and that's it. Just the other day, I purchased a book about budgeting. I ain't gonna front to you. I'm gonna keep the $1,000 with y'all. I don't care. I went to Five Below. I got me a charger, and I got me a book. You know what I'm saying? And I've been reading this book. And one of the things that they do talk about is investing. They also talk about saving. You feel me? We gotta make it a habit of saving money and investing, putting that money into the portfolio so that money is working for you. What's the number one thing that people stress the most about? Money. But if you learn how to build the habit, the positive habit of saving, I don't care if it's $10, $20, $30, it's something. As long as you build that habit of saving, and then I'm gonna take some of this money put it into some assets. I'm telling you, bro, you're gonna help yourself out on a subconscious level. You gotta remember, bro, like, we've been conditioned and programmed so deeply to the point where that's what people think that's just the truth. And it's not, bro. You're not only supposed to just be a consumer. You're not supposed to just wear your money. You're trying to look fancy for people that don't even care, bro. People don't care about you as deeply as you think they do. I'm talking about complete strangers. Your purpose is to add value to people's lives, but people are more concerned about themselves and their own problems rather than you. Real talk. And then people have this false belief that, oh, only the rich, it's only for the rich people. It's only for certain people. No, it's not, bro. It's for all of us. Us melanated people, we're supposed to be buying the assets. I don't care what race you are. At the end of the day, we all a human race. We all spiritual beings having a human experience. So you got to get rid of the limiting beliefs, right? And then, bro, if you got support, if you got your lady supporting you, you got your family supporting you, they rooting for you, bro, take advantage of that. Because 9 times out of 10, bro, on this planet that we live on, people have this imaginary competition thing. I'm in competition with that person. I'm in competition with that person. No, you're not. You're in competition with yourself, buddy. You got to be better than who you were the previous day. That's it. And it don't matter if the whole entire world is not rooting for you or cheering for you or telling you the real or like telling you do it. That does not matter. You have to remind yourself that you are on this planet. It's just God and you. And then you got the people that you hang around. You got your circle, whatever. But the most important person in your human experience is yourself. And you gotta recondition your mind, bruh. You gotta train the subconscious mind every day in this human experience. I gotta buy assets. What's an asset? Something that's gonna bring me more money in the long run. What should I be studying? I should be studying the stock market. I should be downloading Yahoo Finance. I should be downloading TradingView. I should be looking at a stock chart. I should be studying these companies. Make it a positive habit. You put so much time and energy in Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and TikTok. It's not even called Twitter no more, it's called X, but whatever. You put so much time and energy into watching PMO videos, you can put that same effort and energy into yourself. The stock market becomes fun. It becomes a craft, right? And it's something that you could teach yourself every day for the rest of your life. It's something that you could teach to the next person, bro. But once again, it's up to them if they want to learn it, if they're going to apply the information. We got to think about building our net worth. Not, oh, I want to buy this stuff so that you can make the company rich, but then you forget about yourself. That's crazy. You feel me? So at the end of the day, in my honest opinion, yes, you should tell your family about it. You don't gotta like, oh, look at my portfolio, look at me. No, it's not for that, bro. It's to give them the information. Let them know that this is important. This is what you're supposed to be doing outside of your job, whatever. You feel me? And if they apply the information, they do. If they don't, it's not in your control, bro. You can't control what people do. You can't get mad at them, because once again, people are programmed. People are conditioned. And you as a person, you gotta constantly reprogram, recondition, rewire your brain, and just look at things totally different, bro. Alright? So, I just wanted to make this video for the channel. Thank y'all for rocking out with me. Shout out to everybody that's been supporting the channel. If you're new to my channel and you want to help me grow the YouTube, subscribe, like the video so that we get these videos on the algorithm. Leave your comments below. Let me know if you guys are telling your friends, or telling your family, you telling your spouse, you telling your lady, you telling somebody about the investing journey, about the stock market, about trading, forex, whatever. Let me know in the comment section below, alright? And that noise is annoying, my gosh. But keep up the positive momentum, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back at it with some more videos for y'all. It's your boy TC Talks, TC Fitness, Terrence Carter. Yes, sir. And also too, shout out to the SR community, NoFap community, everybody on their journey. Keep on retaining, alright? Yes, sir.